So it's been a long time coming, but finally it's happened. The end of the Squiffy downloads page on the Squiffy website. A lot of you may have used it over the years. It's been around for, it was probably one of the first downloads page out there when it came to this sort of content. We put it out there a long time ago, and it was for downloading your apps, your streaming apps, all the way back to when we could actually put all the good apps on there. Coming up till today's date where it had tools, tricks, KODI, those sort of applications on the page. It was under downloader code 75726 for those who remember it. Let me know if you remember it in the comments and how long, but that page has now gone. So, on the website, let me just get to the website for you briefly. On the website, we've had the downloads page all the way back, even up to about probably 10 years ago. We got a letter from MPAA, Motion Pictures Association of America, representing Disney, Netflix, Amazon, all the big companies, threatening to take me to court unless I change the way the page works. And some of you wonder why I don't host all those apps which you guys want on my website anymore. And this is the reason why. We had a page about this, letter about this big with evidence, wanting to sue me and everything. We went through it back in the day, and there's a lot of new followers who may not have known that. So what we've done now, the downloads page, don't panic though, we have moved to FireSend, okay? Downloads have moved to FireSend. This is because it will make life easier for you. It doesn't need to be on the Squiffy website anymore. The Squiffy website will be used just for blogs, news, tech news, blogs, so do still follow it. It'll have all the videos on it. It will have all the Netflix codes on it. It will have blogs, all that sort of stuff. But everything now will be onto FireSend, okay? And for those who don't know what FireSend is an application you can get on directly on your Firestick. If you search FireSend on your Firestick or your Android TV device and your mobile phone as well, you can search FireSend and you can enter the doc room, which is a new room for my content, DOC. Enter the room and it's already on your Firestick, and then you can get all the apps which we had on there before, all the websites, and it's all in here and you can just download it. You can jump to the section if you want to, streaming websites, media players, app stores, tools, adult, and this is just being updated daily, so there'll be more on there as we go. All the stuff from the old site will be in here. If you click one, even if it was a streaming website and you wanted to go to one, you can just click it. It will load straight through for you on your Firestick, this is. If you wanted to download an app, it would download your app. So you get FireSend. Here, just search it in the magnifying glass. Just search FireSend. We're going to be doing a lot of videos for you. Oh, if I can spell. There'll be a lot of videos for you on how to use it soon. There is a FireSend YouTube channel as well, but you can get that there, nice and easy to use. Okay, so when it comes to the website, FireSend, again here, you can come on here, you can see favorite rooms, you can create your own rooms to transfer files, you can browse suggested rooms, so we've got a Netflix room which is full of Netflix codes, loads of them in there which will just open them up for you. That's also accessible on the Firestick. We've got tools, stores. My new doc room will be in here by the time you watch this video. There's a few other ones from VIP members who have made their own rooms. You can become a VIP. There's giveaways, there's raffles, all on one site, and it's clean. Pretty ad-free, nice and clean, nice and simple. This is the website version, so, you know, look how clean it is to use. It explains how to use it on your Firestick. It's all there. There's a daily wheel if you want to win points to enter raffles. And it's all there for you to have a go on. So you've got raffles, you can create your own FireSend if you want, which is coming soon. It's all on there, and it's all available on your streaming device as well. It's all available everywhere you want it to be. So you can install it on your Firestick. So the old page is gone, the new page is here. If you by any chance you end up going to the old page, it will redirect you here after a while. So look in the Google Play Store, look in the Amazon App Store, look, so you put it on your phone. It's very useful on your phone for the giveaways. You can upload files from your Firestick to FireSend and download again from your phone to FireSend, download again. There's so much to it, and you're going to love it. And this will be what we're using going forward, because it makes my life easier and your life easier. Because on our Firestick, once you've got FireSend installed, if I do a video regarding an app, you can just open up FireSend, type in the code, and install it straight on your Firestick. Whether it's a tool, a trick, a tip, or a streaming app, all you need is that one app. And then that links in with all my content, and it's a win-win for everybody. Brilliant. So, I've been Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit that follow button, and I'll see you soon.